What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hey, garage is empty. We got the bikes loaded in the Sprinter van right now. We're heading down to the local track, which should be a fun day of riding. We got my 450, the gas, we still got it. And then Kyson, he's bikeless right now. He ain't got no bikes. He just sold his last bike. We got big news of a new bike coming, so stay tuned in future videos. This bike's sick, so we hope to have next week's video with this new bike. Also, you can see that in the Sprinter. Let's see what bikes, because Kyson don't have a bike, and if I think what I'm thinking, the only other bike we have is an electric bike. So let's see what he's got loaded up. I knew it, literally. What does he think he's gonna do? The Alta only lasts literally like 20 minutes on a battery. And we got the gas. Oh, this makes sense. Haha, we got the generator. So generator charger, because obviously going e-drive, you're working on a timeline. So, should be sick. Let's go see where Kyson's at. And we have the dream track in the backyard all ready to rip. I just look at it every day wanting to ride it so bad, but just haven't got my suspension back, so really waiting on that. And then that's the last thing, so then we'll have a bike build video coming of the Honda and get this Supercross training started to have some fun at Anaheim 1. Kyson! Lloyd, what are you doing?
Trying to find the intro. But
not ready yet still?
I finally found him.
Let's go. Hey, Honda. It's coming along. Waiting on suspension still.
Dude, wait until next video.
Yeah, I already told him. I was like, hey,
No,
Kyson's bikeless right now.
No.
No, I didn't tell him the bike. I said there's a new bike coming to the garage. I did give him a little insight. It possibly is, but I think we're gonna blow their minds because it's actually not.
Yeah.
Be pretty sick.
Let's go to the track. No, I brought the generator.
I know, I've seen that, but there's no way that thing's gonna charge that fast. Yeah, we'll put you on film duty because you only got one battery.
Sure. Van's ready to go. We need some water. Hey, we need some water. So Wild Child, let's go. We need some water. Hey, you get the waters, I'll get the good stuff. Let's get it. Just gonna sneak this in there. Bam. Turn the siren on and go, huh? Hopefully we have everything.
Alright, this is the compound. Let's get a wind check. Yeah.
0.
No wind.
Absolutely nothing.
That's looking good.
Just wait until I can turn my music on because we get copyrighted if we don't.
Track is looking sick here.
Let's go. I'm kind of scared. All these guys got exhaust and I got a freaking e-bike. Yeah, shout out Father. He got us a generator. Got some gas. Hey, I forgot I do need gas because I need to fuel the generator to fuel my bike. What?
Where's the gas station?
Right here?
Oh, I thought I forgot the gas station.
Probably.
Too bad you only get one moto on that thing and then it's gonna be dead. Not even one. Yeah, it's 3 laps.
Dude, you're roosting that guy.
How about this sick Fox kit? Looks pretty dope. Got the back. Ready to go. We're up, dude.
I know, I'm sleeping on this. Whoops. Oh, we got
the Alta, I guess you shouldn't be sleeping because that thing ain't going many laps. So
yeah, I can't sleep in.
Good show.
We got limited time out. Yeah, full charge.
All right, we're all dialed in. Bikes are ready. Heading out for practice number 1.
What happened?
Dude, I came into this corner over here. It's a little muddy. And I thought I had more on my front tire, I guess. Dude, I just went to dart to the inside, just slipped out. Went straight to my arm. Oh! Yeah, we got a nice little rub.
Dang, dude.
Yeah.
Congrats.
Traded some blood for some dirt.
Real question is it gonna be able to freaking do it?
Yeah, hopefully it'll actually charge this thing. Yep, and we were looking at, after one moto, how bad is it? Half. Oh, you're at half? That's not bad.
One moto.
Oh, you're going easy? What do you think about the e-bike vibes?
Dude, I think the perfect name for it is Silent Assassin.
Dude, right?
You can't hear him. You look like you're like dead on the side of the track and all of a sudden
It's actually
right up
probably pretty sketchy with an e-bike because you could actually hit him.
Yeah. I can't rub on it. It's like, yo,
It doesn't have a horn. That's what it needs.
it's a horn.
Yeah, you do need a horn. That'd be sick. Just, yeah.
Let's go, wild child! Gang, here we coming. Dang, dude, that thing's so fun. Nobody can hear me though. It's so weird. Sneaking up on everyone. No, people are like pushing me out. I'm like, what? I'm here. They're like, what the hell? They're like, Tyson's lungs are going out from yelling.
Look at Rudy even decided to come out, some motivation, telling us we suck out there and we need to go faster.
Not impressed at all, but he did a long moto. He's looking fresh. He's looking fly as ever.
Bro, I just needed you to be here to tell me I suck and need to go faster.
But you guys better watch out. He's gonna make the main.
Let's go. Anaheim, Maine, baby, let's get it.
He's coming. Woo!
All right, it's day 2. We mentioned earlier in this video that we had a new dirt bike coming to the garage, and surprisingly enough, it did show up yesterday. So Kyson's pretty stoked because this is his new bike. So let's check it out. He's already got it all ready to rip today, and that's another reason why he wants to go to the track so bad. So we're ended up back at the dirt bike track today. So let's check this thing out. Oh, dude, this thing is sick.
Yeah.
Are you stoked or what?
Yeah, I don't know if I want to ride it though. It's so clean. So clean.
Yeah, that thing is sick. So this is the new KTM 300. It's a new bike, surprisingly enough, and there's not a lot of them out there.
Look, it looks like a 450 up here. We got the mapping switch, electric start.
Yeah, these things just came out.
Fuel injected.
You're one of the first that got them, right?
I am the first.
Let's go. Straight from California.
Yep. Shout out Luke. He found me one. He delivered it. Luke Santos, man. He got it
Sick.
done.
Fire that thing up. Let's hear it. 2-stroke. Let's go.
It is 26 degrees outside. Let's see if it'll start.
Yeah, it is cool. Oh, yeah. 0.2. Brand new. Shoot right off that floor.
Gentlemen, that's a 300. Expensive hand warmer.
we're gonna get some videos of Kyson ripping this thing around today at the track, and it should be sick. So let's get all loaded up. Day 2 at the dirt bike track. This is like 2 vlogs in 1, so let's get it. It's totally unexpected too. We had no idea this was coming last night, so we basically were like, we have to get this thing on the channel today. We couldn't wait no longer to ride it, so perfect.
Broom. I need to broom the sucker out. Can't be loaded into a dirty van. Dude, and I don't have to charge today. The Alta sucked yesterday.
Dude, the Alta was hectic yesterday. You only got to ride it like twice.
But still, probably one of the funnest bikes we have.
Alright, track, we made it. Day 2.
Multitasking, working on it, warming it up.
Right? See that thing bounce off the limiter? Oh, it's already died. Alright, first practice is done and dusted. Let's hear the news. Is the KTM 300 worth it?
Yeah, Supercross should be 300s and 125s. They're
What's
so
the biggest thing you noticed the difference between that and that 2V2 stroke you just had?
2V2 stroke was a pile of junk. This one's not a pile of junk. It's beautiful. Be Wild's getting one tonight.
Everyone's going KTM 300.
I'm so excited I can't even help it, dude.
Dude, the regulator's so quick. I need to tighten up the GoPro so you can hear it. No, like, off the smallest, like, keeper crack, she's just...
She just wants to go.
She just...
There it is, you heard it. KTM 300 is
Looking
biked
good out
out.
there, Jason.
does that honestly feel? Because I think I might get one, and I don't know.
I think these are sweet.
Are
They don't
they?
rattle like a 500. It's like a tame 500.
Yeah.
Rideable 500.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
You go to the gym all this time and you can't even push your bike up the ramp. Look smarter, not harder. Well, when you're training for Supercross, maybe you should push your bike up the stand.
I'm out there doing motos, dude.
Me too. Until I tipped over and then I kind of just
Pulling off. I see.
dude, look at the purple. Ready for day in the dirt, baby. What do you think? Nothing? Thanks. Thank you. Boom. Good day. End of the day.
Am I driving?
Will you wash my bike? If I drive, will you wash it? Yeah, Roxanne, we might need to put some music over there.
Well, the viewers are probably wondering, what are your overall thoughts of this bike? Is it worth it? Because I know this thing was a pretty penny, and obviously it's first one. KTM hasn't made them before, so overall, what were your thoughts on the power and everything?
Power's there. You don't have to kickstart it. You don't have to jet it. You don't have to turn the gas on. You just got to mix the fuel.
Perfect. Handles pretty good.
Handles amazing. Just like a 4 Fatty, just a little lighter. Better for me because I don't go to the gym. I don't care. Just ride for fun. But yeah, this thing rips.
There it is. Drop a comment what pipe you want to see on this new bike. If they even have any. I bet they don't even have parts out for these things. But let's get some parts going and a bike build on 300 going.
Yeah, hit my Venmo. Leave that in the description because I'm broke.
Alright, that is going to be the end of today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Already got the bikes all cleaned up, ready for our next adventure, which is we're heading to Red Bull Day in the Dirt next weekend, Glen Helen, California, so that's going to be an epic time. And let us know your thoughts on this new KTM 300. Kyson says it's the real deal, so it's a sick bike. It's crazy. The 300 seems like it rips, so that's a cool bike. As always, thank you guys so much for watching our videos, and if you guys have questions, anything, drop comments, like this video, and as always, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and we will see you guys next time. Later.